Hello and welcome. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you're having a great day. So I have decided that today I'm going to go for the Vigil Enforcer Armour. Now the downside of this is you have to be less than level 10 and not have started the Dawn Guard series. Because if you are over level 10 or started Dawn Guard, then the Hall of the Vigilance here just outside Dawnstar, show you whereabouts it is, would have burnt down. It would have been attacked by vampires. It will no longer be here. And you can't start the quest. Now my other character was quite a high level, so this is one of my other characters you may remember from the fishing quests. In fact, I think she's still got her fishing rod equipped. Yeah, she's still got a fishing rod equipped. And also we have Lydia with us. Hello Lydia. And and Lucifer. They just decided to come along and have some fun with the Dragonborn today.
That's my thing.
So let's get on and start this quest. Hello. Hello.
Wherever the Daedra hide, the Vigil of Stendarr will cast them into the light.
That's nice. Now what we're looking for is the note here, which is a letter to Corsair. Let's have a quick chat with her, because last time I was in here she didn't actually move.
The Vigil has none to spare.
Hello.
I am the keeper of the Vigil here in Skyrim. We bring Stendarr's mercy to the innocent, and his justice to the Daedra.
That's very nice.
Stendarr be with you.
Unfortunately she doesn't seem to move a lot, so let's crack on with our quest. This is a letter to Corsair, and we started the Unholy Vigil. Corsair, I received your letter about the sudden disappearance of our patrols in the Pale. The news is troubling for sure. My old partner Fenric was among them, and he was not only a Vigil enforcer, but the finest warrior I knew. For him to be missing is no small thing, but perhaps fate has conspired for these events to happen, so I may repay the life debt I owe him. I will leave for Dawnstar in the morning and take a room at the inn. If I learn anything, you'll be the first to know. Stendarr's mercy be with you. Azarain. Okay, I've read your letter. Thank you very much, Corsair. And yes, and we're off to Dawnstar. Yeah, Wind Peak Inn. Come on, guys, let's go. Okay, so this is the inn that we win. We want Wind Peak Inn. Well, it's a bit busy in here, isn't it?
This should be good.
Having a ruck as well. This is definitely the place to be, isn't it? What are they doing? Right, so one of them has brought a hammer to a fist fight.
Please don't kill me. Hurt me. I cannot trust you. Victory is yours. I submit. I cannot trust you.
I want the merchant. We want the note. Mysterious note of that. Investigate the Windward Ruins. Meet me in the Windward Ruins tonight. I have information. I'm alone. Take that. What's this book? The Cabin in the Woods. Well, that was a little bit busy in there, wasn't it? Looks like it's all spilled out. And where are we going to then? Well, not too far. Go to the Windward Ruins. I can't nearly run past it. Windward Ruins. There's a skeever in it.
That's the last you can do?
Okay, so it looks like something's got the better of Azarain. Take that. Take the cure disease. Ooh, so we have... This is the heavy, the Vigil Veteran Armour. Oh, look at that in a minute. Let's read Azarain's book. Is it worth reading all of it? Read Azrain's journal, read completed. Trail Harold at night. Trail Irene at night. Trail Verith at night. Find the cult of Daedra worshippers. Daedra worshippers. Before we do that, do you know what? Let's just quickly have a look at this armour. Okay. Too bad, I suppose. I prefer my own armour. I'll put my own armour back on. Right, so it looks like I need to go back to Dawnstar to Trail, Arena and Verith. Okay, there's one of our marks now, and luckily enough it's at night time. The other one appears to be inside somewhere. Is it worth sneaking? I mean, I've got a lantern on and everyone's seen me coming there. No, I'm just going to walk properly. Right, let's follow him then. Great, it's looking like it's full circle back to the inn again. Watch what he does. The other one's in here. The other two are in here as well.
The days I got left on the water. It's where I belong.
So everyone I need to follow is in here. One of them's just left. I'm gonna follow Irene. She's gone out.
I've got your back.
Get out of the way. Yeah. Ugh. Oh, if I could punch you in the head to knock and get away with it, I would. Right, so okay, so not just got to follow them, I've got to check their pockets as well. And I haven't... Oh, escape. Oh, what am I doing? Escape her detection. I've got escape her detection and pickpocket her. Butter, ale, septum and lockpick. So she's got nothing on her that I want. Get away, chicken. One of the others has just come out. Alright, so let's check Harold's pockets.
Here to mine?
Right, so he's got bloody rags on him, an elven dagger of fear, some sugar, quicksilver, money and lockpick. It's going to be them, isn't it? I think this is the guy that I'm going to have to follow. Oh well, okay. So he's gone in the mine now. Quicksilver mine.
got?
Oh my god, I'm getting stuck on everything.
Let's get this over with.
Last mistake.
Still here.
Don't know if my followers have actually killed him. Oh, so yeah, they've killed him. Nice one. Cheers, guys. Didn't want him dead. Right, he's got a lot more on him than he had before. Miner's note. Here we go. Get out of the way. Can't read that. Search Harold's body. The door to the temple is finished. Look for 2 rugs in a crate at the far end of the mine. Walk down the shaft to the dead end. On your right should be a button. Press it and the door will open. Okay, well, followed the right one anyway. You two, you and me, are going to have a serious talking to later. Well, this really obvious button here, I've got to press that, have I?
Don't see that every day.
Wow. I think I found the cult of Daedra worshippers. You think? Oh, I guess you better get down there then.
Is someone there? Hello? Who's there?
They don't look too friendly. Die already! Take your stuff!
What you want? Huh?
What have we got here then?
This time, stay.
Fenric. Fenric. Oh, so we completed the quest, have we? Just gonna vampire the blessed iron dagger. Just gonna loot these vampires quick. And what have we got here on Fenric? Vigil corrupted armour. Okay, so it's another cultist gone bad. Let's have a quick look at this this armour. Doesn't look too different to the other one. So this is the corrupted stuff. Yeah, it looks pretty much the same as the last lot, to be honest with you. There's this guy in the middle. Oh, okay, so we've got another lot of Vigil armour here. Vigil Enforcer armour. Wow, so I really ain't carrying too much. So we've got the Enforcer. She's got an open-faced helmet. Apart from that, it looks pretty much the same as the Veteran, I think. Can't really see much difference, to be honest with you. And then we've got the Corrupted, which is better quality, a bit. There's a closed helmet. Right, well, that's the quest to get the Vigil armour. So we've got the Enforcer, we have the Corrupted, and we have the Veteran. There's some slight little bits of detailing that's different on them. Not much to write home about, to be honest with you. Apart from that, really, it's just 3 sets of armour. But apart from one having a closed helmet and the others 2 open, look pretty much the same. Struggle to tell the difference between them. So anyway, that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. It was a little bit tricky, lots of sneaking and a little bit of pickpocketing. So I'm not sure what we're going to do in the next episode, but yeah, that's the end of this one. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, I'd appreciate it if you give my video a like. I'd also appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel if you don't already. And I look forward to seeing you next video. Until then, look after yourselves and take care now. Bye bye.